We've all been there. A well-timed joke, a silly situation, a friend's infectious laughter. Humor transcends language barriers and cultural differences. It's a universal language that unites us. From the cheeky grins of babies to the hearty chuckles of the elderly, humor is a constant companion throughout life. Anthropologists tell us that laughter is as old as humanity itself. Ancient cultures had their own forms of humor, from playful myths to satirical plays. This suggests that humor is not just a frivolous pastime, but something deeply ingrained in our nature. Why is this so? Why does a well-placed pun or a slapstick routine elicit the same joyful response across the globe? The answer lies in the fascinating interplay between our brains, our social instincts, and our evolutionary history. Laughter triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals, which promote an overall sense of well-being. It strengthens social bonds, making us feel closer to one another, and helps us navigate the complexities of human relationships. Whether it's a spontaneous giggle or a deep belly laugh, humor has the power to break down barriers and bring people together. So, next time you share a laugh, remember, you're participating in a timeless global tradition that connects us all. Believe it or not, humor might have played a crucial role in our survival as a species. It's not just a modern-day tool for entertainment. Laughter, according to evolutionary psychologists, helped early humans signal non-aggression and build trust within groups. It was a way to show that they meant no harm. A shared chuckle could diffuse tension, strengthen bonds, and promote cooperation. It was a social glue that held communities together. Imagine a group of our ancestors gathered around a fire. One of them trips and falls, prompting laughter from the others. This scene might seem trivial, but it was significant. This shared mirth, rather than mockery, reassures the clumsy individual that they are still accepted and valued by the group. Social cohesion is strengthened. The laughter signals that the group is united and supportive. This primal function of humor continues to shape our social interactions today. We laugh to show empathy, to bond, and to create a sense of belonging. We use humor to navigate awkward situations, break the ice, and signal that we're friendly and approachable. It's a universal language that transcends cultural barriers. Laughter is in many ways the soundtrack of human connection. It echoes through our lives, reminding us that we are not alone and that we are part of a larger community. What happens inside our brains when we find something funny? It turns out that laughter triggers a cascade of feel-good chemicals. Dopamine, the neurotransmitter associated with reward and pleasure, floods our system. Endorphins, our body's natural painkillers, are also released. This chemical cocktail explains why laughter is often described as the best medicine. Studies have shown that laughter can reduce stress hormones, boost the immune system, and even alleviate pain. A good laugh is like a mini vacation for the mind and body. But the benefits of humor extend far beyond the physiological. Laughter is a powerful social tool that strengthens relationships and builds resilience. Section 4. Humor, the great connector. Humor is the shortest distance between two people, a shared joke, a witty observation, a silly inside joke. These moments of levity create a sense of connection and understanding. We feel closer to those who make us laugh, and we're more likely to trust and cooperate with them. Think about the people you enjoy spending time with. Chances are, they're the ones who make you laugh. Humor acts as social glue, binding us together through shared amusement and lightheartedness. This sense of belonging is crucial for our well-being. When we feel connected to others, we're happier, healthier, and more resilient in the face of challenges. Humor, in its own unique way, helps us build a more joyful and connected world. Section 5. Lost in translation, cultural quirks in humor. While laughter may be universal, the things we find funny can vary widely across cultures. What tickles the funny bone in one culture might fall flat in another. This is because humor is often rooted in shared cultural references, values, and experiences. For example, British humor is often characterized by its dry wit and irony, while American humor tends towards the slapstick and observational. Japanese humor often involves puns and wordplay, while Scandinavian humor can be quite dark and sardonic. These cultural differences in humour remind us that what we find funny is not arbitrary. It reflects our unique worldview, our social norms and the things we hold dear. Section 6. Tickling the brain, the neuroscience of a chuckle. What's going on inside our heads when we get a joke? What is it that makes us burst into laughter or even just crack a smile? Neuroscientists have identified several brain regions that light up when we find something humorous. These regions work together in a fascinating symphony of neural activity. These include areas involved in language processing, social cognition, and emotional response. The brain's ability to understand and process language plays a crucial role in getting the joke. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for higher-level thinking and decision-making, is also activated. This part of the brain helps us to understand the context and the subtleties of humor. This suggests that humor isn't just about basic instincts. It requires a certain level of cognitive sophistication to appreciate irony, satire, and the unexpected. Humor often involves recognizing incongruities and resolving them in a surprising way. The study of humor is still a relatively young field, but it's clear that laughter is a complex phenomenon that engages multiple areas of the brain. Researchers are continually discovering new insights into how and why we laugh. It's a testament to the remarkable capacity of the human mind to find joy and connection even in the most unexpected places. Laughter not only brings us joy but also strengthens social bonds and enhances our overall well-being.